Hey, this is John at L.L.C 3D, and today I wanted to talk about low volume production, which is a service we provide here at L.L.C 3D. A lot of times when we work with customers, we do product development and they're ready to make product, but they're not ready to invest into a high pressure injection mold or a blow mold or some type of thermoform tooling, which could cost anywhere from $5,000 up to well over $100,000. So those types of tools are meant for high volume production, and that's meant for people and companies that have basically they have data to be able to sell that much product and to be able to invest in that type of tooling. Well, not everybody starts that way. Sometimes you have to start small, and that's where we come in as a service. We offer low volume production, and what that means is we can produce small volumes of parts made out of plastics that allow you to sell the product or to get marketing data or marketing research to determine if your product can sell. Generally speaking, you don't have an upfront cost for mold tooling, so the capital investment is not there, and you basically just design the parts, we print the parts, we give the parts to you, and then you can do whatever you need to do with those. We can produce parts anywhere from simple prototypes, which is a single part, all the way up to a couple thousand parts, and then at that point you can take those parts and do what you need to do with those without having the investment of a mold tool or a thermoform tool, or even having to talk to people in machining. It's generally a more efficient process. It's quicker. We're able to do these parts reasonably fast. We can do them in smaller batches, make adjustments, make another small batch, and continue that iterative process until you get the information you're needed, so that when you are ready to move forward with a large-scale production process such as high pressure injection molding, you have all the data that you need. And what I'm going to show you here shortly is one project that we're working on that we do have. We got to make 1,000 of these parts, and right here is what we're making. So this is an example of the low volume production process that we offer. So here you can see that we have this printer's up and running. It's going to do 60 of these at a time. We have to do 1,000 parts. It's going to take us about 3 days to do this, but there's no investment in tooling, so there's no upfront high pressure injection mold cost or thermoform tooling cost. And we have the same thing going on over on this printer. So you can see, from a perspective of trying to save money up front to get your product up and running, the low volume production process that we offer is a very efficient, cost-effective approach. So if you or somebody you know is looking for low volume production or product development, look us up online at wellstronics3d.com or give us a call at 612-587-2812. Thank you.